Meetings mean business coalition and leaders from across the meetings and events industry joined together last Thursday for the third annual Global Meetings Industry Day. With more than 160 events spanning across 6 continents, this International Day of Advocacy highlights the value that business, meetings, conferences, conventions, travel, trade shows, and exhibitions bring to businesses and the economy. Japan National Tourism Organization in North America recently relaunched its meetings website, japanmeetings.org, as part of an outreach program. The updated site debuts in connection with a new tagline, "New ideas start here," and a new logo. The new campaign emphasizes many of Japan's well-known strengths in innovation and tech, but also bring attention to its heritage and unique spaces. The organization hopes to showcase its 12 MICE-ready cities, including but beyond Tokyo. Planners with Georgia on their mind have incentives to book soon. Chateau Elan Winery and Resort is offering rewards based on the number of rooms booked. More than 75 scores, 3 bonuses, including a 5% rebate to the master bill, and 1 complimentary coffee break. Meanwhile, the Whitley, a luxury collection hotel in Atlanta's Buckhead district, is offering up to 9 incentives for booking 400 or more rooms. Set in Chicago's historic financial district, W Chicago City Center, address is 172 West Adams, unveils Phase 1 of its transformation this April. The contemporary hotel will introduce an all-new lobby and restaurant, Midland Social Club, named after the building's original use of the Midland Club, a private gentleman's club. The design highlights historic touch points to illustrate the hotel's early Chicago ties, while speaking to the many diverse cultural neighborhood of the Windy City. The Duniway, located in the heart of downtown Portland, is about to celebrate its first birthday this June. To mark the occasion, the hotel announced the completion of the finishing touches to the property. Among the new additions are a guest-only private outdoor space, as well as a chic indoor pool and cutting-edge fitness center on the 11th floor.